you find the truth. She cheated. But the real shock, the thing that makes your world spin, is who she cheated with. It wasn't the millionaire boss. It wasn't the handsome movie star from a film. It was the lowest guy you could ever imagine. The delivery driver, the broke friend, the coworker with the stained shirt. You look at him, then look in the mirror at yourself, the stable man, the good man, the man who provides, and you ask, why? Why did she risk everything for that? Today, we are going to look at the darkest truth about female desire. We are going to expose the hidden psychological rules that make a woman choose the lowest value man over the comfortable man. This isn't about him being better. This is about you being too safe. You're standing there, looking at the evidence, and the pain is so deep you can barely breathe. The question is a scream in your mind. Why did she choose the man who has nothing to offer, the man who is clearly below her own standards, over me, the man who gave her everything? Here is the brutal, simple truth that will shatter everything you think you know about women. She cheated with the unexpected man because he offered her the one thing you stopped giving her: emotional and primal risk. You made her safe. You made her life easy. You gave her predictable comfort. You thought this was the highest form of love, but deep down, her primal mind started to see you as furniture. You became the nice, safe chair that is always there. And when a woman gets too comfortable, the thrill dies. The unexpected man, the chaotic man, the low-status man, he doesn't represent a better life. He represents a break in the boredom. He is the poison she needs to feel alive again. If you are tired of being the comfortable man who gets betrayed, if you are ready to learn the real rules of attraction and not the nice guy lies, then you need to commit to this channel. This is the truth that sets men free. Hit that subscribe button right now. Don't let your next betrayal be a surprise. The first type of cheating is the contempt cheat, when safety becomes suffocation. Let's talk about a guy I knew. Let's call him James. James was the definition of a good husband. He was a manager at a bank, good money, always home on time. He never yelled. He always agreed. He let his wife make every single decision in the house just to keep the peace. He was safe and he was predictable. His wife, Sarah, cheated with the gardener, a guy who barely spoke English, smelled like sweat and dirt, and had no money. When James found out, he was broken. I'm a bank manager. He cuts grass. But here is what Sarah was thinking. James has no spine. He lets me control everything. I don't respect him. He is so afraid of conflict that he doesn't even feel like a man anymore. The gardener, the unexpected man, he didn't care about being nice. He looked at her with pure, raw desire. He gave her a moment of pure, unapologetic fire that James's predictability had suffocated. James gave her safety. The gardener gave her contempt for the rules. That contempt, that chaos, made her feel reckless and powerful. She wasn't cheating up for money. She was cheating out for excitement and raw validation. The unexpected man succeeds because he is not you. He hasn't been worn down by years of responsibility. He doesn't ask her for permission. He gives her a break from her reality. The second type of cheating is the validation cheat, the search for the lost self. This is the story of David, the dedicated dad. David stopped dating his wife, Maria, 10 years ago. All their talk was about the kids, the mortgage, and school plays. He saw her as a mom, a partner, a coworker in the business of life. But he stopped seeing her as a woman who needed to feel intensely desired. Maria cheated with a 25-year-old barista from the coffee shop, a kid with tattoos and no future. David was angry.
He was the loser in the story because he focused on being a dad and forgot to be a man. What was she thinking? She wasn't thinking about getting married to the barista. She was thinking, when this young man looks at me, he doesn't see a tired mother of two. He sees a beautiful, sexually vibrant woman. The unexpected, younger man gave her pure, unfiltered sexual validation. He reminded her that she was still hot, still wanted by the generation that is currently high value. This was a desperate attempt to grab the last bit of her youth before it was gone forever. The unexpected man wins because he is free from responsibility. He is focused only on the moment and on her body. The husband, focused on the future, misses the present. And that present moment desire is what the cheating woman is desperately chasing. If you are seeing this pattern in your own life, you have to realize that comfort is the enemy of attraction. You must maintain your fire, your purpose, and your masculine edge. If this truth is hitting you hard, don't ignore it. Hit that subscribe button and learn how to build a frame that no woman will risk leaving. The third type of cheating is the frame test and the winner's response. This is the story of Chris. Chris was a man of high standards. He was kind, but he was also building his own empire. He didn't center his life around his wife. He centered it around his mission. He gave Lisa love, but he also demanded respect and loyalty. Lisa started hanging out with her old high school friend, a man who was divorced, emotionally needy, and constantly seeking attention. She was testing the waters. Chris noticed the disrespect. He saw the shift in her energy. He didn't wait for the explicit proof. He sat her down and said, "Your loyalty and respect are gone. You are distracting yourself with cheap attention. I won't be a part of it. Get your things." Lisa panicked. She swore there was no one else, but Chris held his frame. He didn't need to know who the other man was. He only needed to know that he was losing his respect. Chris was the winner because he didn't judge the affair partner. He judged her action and his own worth. He showed her that his value was so high that even the thought of her betraying him was enough to lose him forever. The low-status, unexpected man is often just a tool she uses to test your frame. If you beg, if you cry, you prove to her that your frame is weak and she has nothing to fear. If you walk away calmly, you prove that your frame is stronger than the relationship, and that is what earns respect, even if it comes too late. The unexpected man is the symptom, not the disease. The disease is the erosion of your masculine presence, the death of your emotional edge, and the lack of fear you instilled in her about losing you. She wasn't looking for a better provider. She was looking for a man who made her feel something raw, something dangerous, something that reminded her she was alive. So here's the smart question I want you to answer in the comments below. Since cheating with an unexpected low-status man is about seeking emotional chaos and risk, do you believe the most important lesson for the betrayed man is not to change his bank account, but to change his level of internal intensity and purpose? Drop your opinion in the comment section. Tell me what you think is the real cure for the nice guy who gets cheated on with the low-status guy. Your thoughts help other men who are going through this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. You need to be ready for the next video because we are going deeper into how to maintain that masculine edge no matter your age or status.